If you are thinking about taking the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate, but you are not sure whether it actually prepares you for real cybersecurity job environments, or only explains security concepts at a surface level, this video will help you decide clearly before you commit your time. These skills are commonly used in security operations centers, incident response teams, network monitoring environments, and threat detection workflows across modern workplaces. In this video, I'll explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and how this learning resource can make you pass your exam first try the course we are discussing. Today is the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate, available on Coursera and delivered by IBM, and it is designed to help learners build practical cybersecurity monitoring and threat detection skills used in real organizations. After completing this certificate, you will be able to monitor security alerts, analyze suspicious activity across networks, investigate incidents using security tools, and understand how organizations respond to threats inside operational environments. These abilities appear directly in real jobs where analysts monitor logs, investigate alerts, and support incident response teams inside enterprise environments. One important question many learners ask is whether the certificate is enough to start a career pathway, or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. I will suggest that this learning resource for it will help you pass your exam first try. Career pathways supported by this course include FE Cybersecurity Analyst, FE Security Operations, Center Analyst, FE Junior Incident Response, Analyst, FE Threat Monitoring Analyst. After completing this certificate, you'll be able to FE monitor security alerts inside enterprise environments, FE investigate suspicious activity using security tools, FE understand network security monitoring workflows, FE support incident response tasks. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate and whether beginners should start with it first. This program focuses specifically on entry-level cybersecurity monitoring and defense skills rather than deeper penetration testing specialization pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials, because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. This certificate is a good choice for learners starting a cybersecurity pathway, and it supports professionals moving into security roles. It may not be ideal for learners already working in advanced penetration testing or senior security engineering environments. The expected career impact of this certificate is strongest at the entry-level stage, where organizations look for familiarity with monitoring tools, alerts, and incident response workflows. You do not need advanced programming experience before starting this certificate, and most learners usually spend around 5 to 8 hours per week completing the modules, depending on their pace. Learning with this certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward entry-level cybersecurity analyst roles by making you pass your exam first try. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.